Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to hide your IP address using NordVPN. This helps us protect our online privacy, secure our connection, and browse the internet anonymously. NordVPN is a leading, high-speed virtual private network service that keeps our browsing safe by encrypting our traffic, hiding our IP address, and letting us bypass geo-restrictions with over 8,900 servers. It has a strict no-logs policy, Threat Protection Pro for blocking malware and ads, and works on all major platforms, protecting up to 10 devices at once. Hiding our IP address with NordVPN helps protect our online identity and privacy by masking our real IP address. NordVPN stops websites, advertisers, and hackers from tracking our location or online activity, so we can browse anonymously and securely. We will walk through the process step by step, so everyone can follow along even if you are new to this. Come closer. First, open your NordVPN application. Once you are redirected to the main page, do not open the website you want to visit or stream just yet. Let's first hide our IP by connecting to servers in other countries. For example, if we are in the Philippines, we can hide our IP and make it appear as if we are in Australia. Double-click this one, or click the directory and let it auto-connect, or double-click. As you can see, we are now connected to Australia. This will help prevent malware, malfunctions, or tracking by others. We can protect our files and information by doing this. If we want to choose another country, just double-click these servers. It will connect, and you will see that we are now connected to Afghanistan. Our IP address will appear to be from Afghanistan and not from the Philippines. That's how we hide our IP address using NordVPN. Masking our IP helps protect our privacy, keeps our online activity secure, and lets us browse the internet more safely. Always make sure NordVPN is connected when we want to stay private and protected online. Stay secure and browse safely.